like me. I ain't cut like these bitches, count up a check in a white tee. Bitch, I'm roll running, I don't give a fuck who beside me. Still the coldest bitch, it don't even matter who bite me. Weak assholes.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are interested and want to see how I did this pink pretty rose petal lip scrub, stay tuned for the rest of this video. So as you guys can tell from the title of this video, I will be using these red rose petals to make this lip scrub. I will be using the raspberry flavoring, and also will be using the berry makeup powder. It's more off of a pink color. So I went ahead and add all of my oils into a bowl so it could be one thing, and then now I'm adding my makeup powder, and then now I'm gonna go in and add my flavoring. I think it's more better and easier to add your flavoring with a pipette instead of pouring, you know, less mess. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give that a nice stir. Don't mind that it's lumpy. I was just testing out to see if I need more makeup powder inside of the oil to make it, you know, a specific color, but I don't need much. I just need a little bit just to give it that off pinkish reddish tone. So now I'm gonna go in and add my sugar, and what you guys see me doing here is just like tapping down all the lumps and chunks into the sugar, making sure it's nice and even. So right here I ended up seeing that there was more lumps in the oil from my first mixture. So what I'm doing right now is I'm mixing it really well, make sure it's even and it's mixed well into the oil, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and pour it onto my sugar scrub. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just gonna give my sugar scrub a nice mixture to my likings. I'm gonna make sure that everything is well coated in the pinkish color look. So with that being said, I realized that I needed more oil because the lip scrub didn't have enough oil when I first poured it in. So I went ahead and add more coconut oil to my lip scrub. So now after I got everything evenly coated onto the sugar, I went ahead and add my red rose petals into my sugar scrub, and now I'm gonna give that a nice mixture, making sure everything is nice and even and mixed very well before I started adding the sugar scrub into the containers. So what I'm doing right here now is just adding more coconut oil to my lip scrub because I felt like it wasn't enough to my likings, so I added more just to be on the safe side. Okay, so now I'm adding my sugar scrub into my containers, and with this, you guys, take your time with it because this can be very messy with it. When I did this, I was so pissed because I didn't have a popsicle stick to do it, because it's more easier and faster with a popsicle stick, because with the spoon it's more messy. But you just have to know how to angle the sugar scrub on the spoon in order to make sure you don't make a full mess. So yeah, I'm adding my sugar scrub to my tubes, and they look so pretty inside of the tubes due to the fact that the caps is purple, and you know, the lip scrub is pink. It just goes together. It just looks so cute and adorable, and I just love it. And it smells really good. It smells like raspberry, which is raspberry scented. But when you guys is adding your lip scrub to your small containers, you're gonna want to be very careful when you're adding your lip scrub to it when you're using a spoon, because you can get the area looking very messy. So So after I add all the scrubs to each containers, I go ahead and cover the containers with the caps. And then after I cover it with the caps, I went ahead and sanitize each one because it's very oily and sticky because it's sugar and oil. So you want to make sure you sanitize and wipe down each lip scrub. So yeah, I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell. Don't forget to leave a comment on what you guys think and how this lip scrub look. The link to my website will be in the description box if you want to purchase your lip scrub or your lip gloss after you scrub your lips to moisturize as well. So yeah, see y'all in the next one. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.